That is my profession.
All right, guys, we are now under 2 minutes from the New York opening. We are down a little about 24,850 level. 5-minute ATR sitting in there at 25. Standard deviation width is 33. Based on where the price action is now, I want to see a push down because I want to see an expansion of the standard deviation bands and give us a little more range to play with for the day. So we shall see. Brett was a bass drummer too. Wow, a lot of percussionists in the crowd today.
I actually was a drummer too as a kid, but not a bass drummer, just drums.
Just banged on your head.
All right, we're about to open.
Yeah.
So is the data still? We have pending home sales today as well, at 10 a.m.
I believe that's still on deck for today.
Yeah, so we do have news coming out today as well, guys. So just be mindful. I might try to wait it out until that to trade.
We also have building permits and durable goods tomorrow, an hour before the New York Open. But again, the GDP, the advanced GDP, has been canceled. I think that was for, I don't know if that was this week or next week. So we shall see. All right, guys, it is 30 seconds to the New York opening bell. Again, a reminder, it'll be a shortened stream tomorrow with Nick and Amos. Us Americans will be off. And then Thursday and Friday, no stream whatsoever. So we're going to lock in for a full stream today. Hope to make some money. Hope to help you guys make some money. And yeah, that's what we're here to do. All right, guys, lock in. Check your orders. And let's have a fantastic and green day. You know what time it is. Ding, ding, motherfuckers. Let's get to work.
Ooh, yeah.
Time to make a milli.
Only one? What?
I want to see London Low get absolutely smashed.
Yeah, 22.
That's what I want to see.
So,
I want to see London Low get absolutely just wrecked and run through, and see what happens from there.
I'm with you.
Do you have a bias for today, Joey?
So I would like to see 25,000s come into play.
25K.
That's just me. Like I said, I want to see London Low get smashed and then maybe find some strength out of it, just from the strength that we had yesterday. But we'll see. I mean, it's holiday week. We're getting closer and closer to Thanksgiving. We'll see what the market wants to do. There's London Low getting smashed. Not really smashed, just kind of tickled.
Tickled, yeah. ES still holding these levels, so I'm not really a fan of that. I do see this is what I mean, like sweep them, move to the upside. I want to see ES follow in conjunction with that, and it's so far not happening.
Sweep and run.
Yeah. Don't like
my opinion is 25,000 or zero today.
25,000 or zero. I think then I would join a 25,000 game. That makes more sense.
I joined the zero game. What the hell?
Yeah. You would join the minus 25,000 game.
Yeah. Lots of divergence right now between ES and NASDAQ. Ew. Yeah, not a fan. Not a fan. A little bit of a gap here on SPX, but starting to fill. Pretty much filled the gap. Not a big gap today.
That too yucky for you?
Yeah, I don't like this. What's going on here? NASDAQ at pre-market low. ES is pumping to the upside. Like this is classic example of like fuckery happening. Like this is not what I want to see. I don't like when the NASDAQ is trying to move lower and ES is clearly the stronger one, or vice versa. Like this tells me that the market is very much in indecision mode and lots of room for getting chopped up. So for me, this is like a sit and wait sort of scenario. I do, right now I would be shooting more towards the upside only because NASDAQ has not been able to clear. We swept these pre-market lows. ES is pushing to the upside here. So I do want to see NASDAQ.
All right, we are off on the running.
97 level.
What is happening?
Otherwise, I want to see ES follow in NASDAQ's footsteps here and start moving back down. I don't like that we're holding here.
On the other hand, YM is just straight up pumping to the sky. Ooh,
Yeah,
God.
YM's just absolutely running right now. It's insane.
Our good friend Joey would say, "Holy."
Holy. Market Maker Mario's in the chat and is absolutely making a milli on YM right now.
He's always making a million YM, huh?
He wakes up and makes a milli every day on YM. Crazy.
And then comes and streams with us. Watches the chat. Crazy move on YM there.
YM moves are just insane. I mean, it's like they when it moves, it just goes on a straight ripper, whether it's up or down, and then it's just a straight line.
That's actually crazy. What are you seeing right now in terms of like? I know you said you wanted to see pre-market low just get slaughtered, but like, what would you be looking for?
I mean, again, I'd like to see that get run and then a move higher. Back up into previous day's close, maybe running, getting up to 25,000s.
Nice. Okay. Yep. Yeah. ES much more bullish than NQ right now. So, let's see.
I thought we were honestly going to get 25,000s yesterday. We kind of just flatlined.
Yeah.
40s and 50s.
Yeah, these are the days that I don't like to trade right from the get-go because, I mean, I like to wait anyway, but I like to wait even more when I see something like this because when futures are not in sync, you tend to get chopped up. Because the thing is, what happens is like one of them's looking bearish, the other one's looking bullish. So if you take shorts on the NASDAQ and ES is pumping, NASDAQ's probably going to get chopped up. If you take the longs on ES and NASDAQ is dropping, ES is probably going to get chopped up. So I like to see that they're both in sync before I choose my fighter. So I want to see NASDAQ now above this, like at least 880 and then 909, and then ES I want to see above this high at 730. Otherwise, we're literally just going to chop around here.
Yeah.
That's not what we want to see. NVIDIA getting hammered. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, it doesn't.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, damn. When did we get to the 70s?
Minus 4.7%.
NVIDIA's really getting smoked.
Oof.
Yikes. All right.
Yeah, NQ is not doing much.
No, it's not. I was saying
Yeah,
that.
it's getting all the love
candle
today.
just sucks.
It was kind of lame. And YM just like never to be seen again, apparently.
YM's like, good luck, everybody else.
To the moon. Going back to last Thursday's high. Looks like.
All right, dude. What do we have? You have anything cool? Anything good? Anything good? I don't see nothing.
Guys, remember, we do have data coming out at 10 a.m. here, so less than 30 minutes. So maybe stay patient till then.
But only maybe.
No, only maybe.
Mercedes gold is kind of in a range right now. It's not really doing a whole lot. We're trading 127s on gold. VWAP's at 133. We have levels down all the way to 112 and basically 107. Highs up at 150s. So I would wait for, because we're kind of like in the middle of this range. So I would wait for a level to come into play, whether those lows or highs, and see how gold reacts from that. Right now, it just feels pretty choppy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, ES not able to clear this trend line still. NASDAQ's getting a rejection here of that 880 level.
Not really going anywhere.
Yeah, I haven't chosen a side yet. Like, I can't tell if I want to be bearish or bullish yet.
No, same. Just hanging around the sidelines.
Well, it's guaranteed that it moves to the right.
That is actually true. Where did you learn that? I just realized.
It's the little things, Nick. The little things.
You
Not
laugh.
much
now somebody's
volume
gonna
really
code that
or
up
anything.
differently,
I mean, like
just
there
to mess
is,
with you.
but it's like not really going anywhere.
Imagine. Market makers are like, ah, he said that's not going to happen, so let's not make it happen.
Do it.
Well, try trading sideways on Thursday.
Do I have a course on that? Yes, I do. I have a private mentorship on it.
Buy my
on
course.
the market moving to the right. Can't give away all secrets though. Nasdaq doing nothing.
Yeah, this is annoying. I am interested in ES for the long, so if we can clear this high, this pre-market high, I'll be looking for that. That would clear that level, the trend line, and then I think we can target the 10-point move up to this supply zone, and then kind of watch it from there. But very indecisive between both futures right now.
Are we starting to get into that holiday movement?
Yeah, see, this
Looks
is
like
kind of what
it.
I was expecting yesterday to happen,
Yeah.
but I guess we're getting it today.
Well, gold is dropping heavily right now.
Oh, did it move? Oh,
Yeah, gold is going
wow,
down
gold did
to
start
London
moving.
low.
Wow.
We about to go to the London low. Hey.
Yeah. Gold just took off.
Mm-hmm.
Why is YM still pumping?
YM
RTY is getting a nice move too.
YM is a bit stuck up there at the 800s.
Nasdaq's now reapproaching that pre-market low level. ES could not clear the upside here. I'm gonna be watching ES below 67.12. Nasdaq's getting the sell here. Selling pressure is really coming in here on the Nasdaq. ES needs to clear the VWAP level and the 9 EMA. I'm not interested in shorts yet.
Ooh, but it's dropping. 800.
That's some pretty good selling coming through there.
Yep. That was 40 points in 50 seconds.
I want to see ES really clear this because right now, like I said, if we hold right here, like NASDAQ will probably pump as well. So I want to see the confirmed break. There we go.
You're still not in?
Nope. I'm waiting.
All right.
I'm getting my order ready, but I'm waiting.
We have yesterday's initial balance high at 770. 769.
Miriam, I don't know if you have your book map up, but does the top of the book look light again today?
Yes. Yeah, it does.
I'm not seeing anything more than 10 to 20 contracts. I mean, you really have to zoom out to scrunch it up to get some of those areas we want to see.
Yeah, I don't see anything really. Bears might be really coming in here. I think if you're in on NASDAQ, your target could be the 712 level. I just, like I said, I'm trying to be extra patient because I don't like that ES is very wicky right now. I want to see it actually below this 712 level.
Joey, pick a number between 550 and 600.
And 550 and 600. Okay. Do I need to say it or wait?
Yeah, what is it?
585.
585 is the next like goal, chat. So, if we hit 585 likes, we're going to give away another 50K growth account. Hit it.
Yeah, Chris BCL doing a thing. I don't know what the data was that dropped it there. I don't know if there was some sort of announcement overnight or
Breaking the trend line here. Damn.
Wow.
Yeah, That was a
Big
strong push now. That was interesting.
I'm taking my options play here, but this is the break that I was looking for. Shorts are coming in. 700 needs to clear here on ES. Wow.
Holy.
Move. All right. I want to see 6,700 clear, and then NASDAQ, I want to see the 712 level clear.
YM is retracing that whole move right now.
That's crazy. YM's like, nope, not today.
Wow. Market, you feeling all right, bro?
That's what I'm saying. Yep.
Well, again,
NASDAQ
this is going to be the last trading day for a lot of the big money, so keep that in mind, guys. It could be a very big Momo day.
Oof, did not like that pullback. See, right to this pre-market low here on ES. This is why I want to see this level clear. Selling pressure is still in. There's that 755 on NASDAQ has strong sellers as well. So I do want to see if we can clear this level here. This might just be a slight pullback.
See where are we going now? All right, we're gonna have some up movement. It looks like for a sec.
And do we retrace yesterday's move?
Literally, yeah. So I'm saying, like, these bulls, like, I don't know. Yes, the overall chart is feeling bullish, but like this break right now is not keeping me convinced. So 6,700 clears, I think we get some really decent downside here on ES. Yeah, nice. There we go. There we fucking go.
What a drop suddenly. What the hell? What a helly?
Yeah.
Yeah, it kind of came out of nowhere after, you know, we swept London low and just kind of consolidated above it a little bit and then just
I mean, you called it, Joe. You said you want London low to be absolutely just ran through, which is what happened.
Nvidia's down 6% right now.
That's crazy.
Oh, damn.
Holy shit. ES trying to break this level here. If we break this 66.97 area, which we are right now, I see some buyers
Okay.
sitting at 66.92. That is my next target. Wow. NASDAQ has room down to previous day low. Maybe even 606. Wow, congrats if you guys caught this. This was a nice move.
That was a crazy move.
It was a devious move too. They head faked both directions
Yep.
in the first 10 minutes and then just rolled it.
Yeah. That's what I mean. Like, I was like, I want to see ES clear this VWAP level because if we can't clear it, then
Come on, hurry up.
Fake everyone out. But very nice move so far. There's still weakness. Definitely some weakness on NASDAQ. ES also picking up the weakness as well. Those premiums went fucking insane on those options.
Yeah, these are hard moves to catch because, like, you know, we swept London low and then, you know, got back above it and consolidated, and it kind of makes you think, like, you know, are we gonna rip here? Are we gonna hold London low, or are we gonna revisit? Maybe smash back through it. It's a hard move to catch, especially when it happens so fast like that.
Yeah. Guys, if you're in a short here on ES, watch this 92 level. I would be completely like in runners at this point. I am in runners, but I would be waiting for this 90 level to clear here because we could try to bounce here and retest the 700. And if that's the case, then I would, like I said, I'd be light on this trade.
What a push.
Very nice. ES now turned more weak than NQ. Look at that. Look at this.
Yeah, now it just follows the drop.
Yeah, guys, also in the chat, be really careful about trying to say, well, you know, the markets do this or this because of A, B, or C. And over longer periods of time, what happens in the markets makes sense, right? Like when you're looking at a year-to-year chart of anything and knowing, you know, in hindsight what was happening economically, right? Like the COVID crash makes a lot of sense once we realized whole sections of the economy were going to be shutting down. Same thing with the subprime mess. we don't know what's going on in real time, guys. That's why we're technical, and we do technical analysis, not fundamental, because we're never going to have an edge in the fundamental analysis.
What a move. 66.89 is breaking here. Next level is 85 and then 80 on ES. This is insane. NASDAQ can't approach this previous day low. ES getting a lot of selling coming in here. This is actually
It's a bloodbath today.
This is awesome. I fucking love this.
I was saying, this is where you thrive, Mariam.
Oh, I'm
Mariam in her
I'm
element.
here.
I'm living in this.
Mariam
Those
in her
premiums
element.
went over 100% on the options contract. All right, let's see. Right here, this is where 80 needs to clear. We could retest 66.91 on ES. NASDAQ has a lot of room as well. NASDAQ actually has some resistance sitting at 655. Still getting the selling coming in. 630 could hold as support as well. Wow.
So, can we just close our eyes and get short?
At this point, man.
Not financial advice,
Yeah,
Jack.
this is crazy. $10 a.m. is also, like I said, oh my God, this is just going. Fucking love this. All right. 10 a.m. is also approaching. So, you know, make sure you guys are, like I said, I'm going to be completely out of my position when we get to 10 a.m. because I don't like holding anything in the data. Actually crazy. Let's see. We might literally take out this full move from yesterday.
Looking like it.
Look at that 1 hour chart.
YM retraced the whole move plus some. I mean, YM's just getting dumped on.
That's nuts.
Wild. Actually wild. Oh my God, this is going.
That is nuts.
Everything.
There's no pullbacks. That's another thing too. It's like, if I were looking to enter this trade, I wouldn't look to enter it until we get a retrace back to 700.
Yeah.
That's like,
it's hard to get short where we are.
the thing is for me, when I see moves happen like this and I'm not in it, I just wait for the reversal play.
Yeah.
600 on NASDAQ.
Let's
has
go.
some significant
We are
buyers
way
here.
up.
We tapped right into that area right
But it's
now.
okay.
So we could get in a little bit of
That was we should have been paying attention to this one because this is the one we need to get out of fast enough. But is what it is.
Yeah, you can wait for the reversal play unless it's a day like what we had last week where we dropped 1,000 points.
I like it. Today is good so far.
Yeah,
What was like we dropped
That
like
was
12
insane.
points
I'm
high.
completely out of my play here.
That was
Completely.
insane.
Who? Wow. Who?
All right, so Mariam
caught that,
made
guys?
her milli.
Yeah.
I was in the
That was a
1,000
play. That was a play. See,
Mariam,
that's the thing too. Is
something.
she's
What?
looking for yachts right now.
I'm shopping.
Now she just bought yours, Joey.
Yeah. Can I just rent yours?
Yeah.
Oh man, that was fun. Who caught that, guys? Who in the chat caught this move? This was absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. A little bit difficult in the beginning to really catch this. You had to be extra patient. I think if you caught it on NASDAQ, you were a lot safer than on ES, but yeah, ES rejected the trend line like beautifully on this 15-minute. This was just completely like A+ setup right here. And then, you know, started to get the flush below VWAP and I just hopped in that. Right now we are holding the 600 level here on NASDAQ. Really, really strong reversal here.
Wow.
Let's see if we can, you know, find some rejection here at the 730s.
Crazy.
That was quite the buy up there.
Crazy.
Yeah, some right now there's a few poor bastards out there like, oh, we're definitely cracking hard below 600. Oh no.
That's funny.
And don't worry, I make fun, but like that, I can promise you, everybody on screen was that moron at one point in their early in their careers.
1,000%. I was the moron shorting at 600.
It is. So I guess, I don't want to because I know there's a lot of people still kind of getting through their struggles and figuring everything out and all that. But trust me, once you get to the point where we are, and not that we got everything figured out, but obviously we've been doing this for a while. I hate to be this is character building or anything like that, but it really is to know when to get into plays like this. And I mean, every one of us used to get chewed up on every one of these. So if you're thinking I can't figure it out and I always get these moves wrong, guess what? Join the club. We were there too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
$6,700 being tested here on ES as well. Let's see if they continue to flush it.
Le sheet.
Dumpy.
Oh, where are we at with the light goal, by the way? 512. What did you say, Joey?
Oh, you're the light goal guy.
You said 585, right?
Yep.
Nice.
And NASDAQ is concurrently saying, don't mind if I V-bottom right here.
Yeah.
Holy.
Look at that. That's actually crazy on the 5 minute. This whole candle is getting taken out.
Yeah.
Wild.
NASDAQ said, oh, y'all wanted me to smash London low and then go to 25,000? Okay.
Wild.
What a buyout, man. From was that 602?
Yeah.
740s?
I don't even have a level there. That's just a psych level. Where is that level? Oh, I guess.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I don't have. That was just a level I saw on book maps that we held at.
850.
ES, I didn't even see that level there at 74.
160 points in just a couple minutes.
Crazy. No rejection here.
Insane.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting here waiting for a setup.
What would be your next ideal setup here? Because this could be a rejection play. I just don't like the move, like the
Honestly-
massive buy up that we got.
Honestly, for fractal model, I don't see anything. The only thing I'm looking at right now is honestly just the golden pocket at 24,546, which is Brett's play. That's what I was thinking, but can't see anything else but that.
Only thing I could see is a rejection literally right here at the 9 and VWAP on ES 710. The only thing I don't like when I see a buy up candle like this, that tells me that any sort of rejection play might get invalidated.
We are at the 90 MA on the 5 minute now, Miriam.
Yeah.
And you do have to consider every move in the context of the calendar as well. In that at some point, volume's going to dry up today. I know tomorrow's a full trading day, short and stream, but a full trading day. I can almost guarantee tomorrow will, unless there's news or a catalyst or a tweet or tariffs, or, all this stuff. I would anticipate, the HFTs and the arbitrage bots just ruling the day.
Yeah. Oh my God, I just got so hot in this freaking thing. Might be time to retire.
See if we can see anything else.
Retire as a turkey.
Yeah. My turkey days are over.
Not a good week.
I shorted the market, so
Can't retire until Thursday.
yeah, I'll be wearing this to Thanksgiving. I'll be hosting Thanksgiving, so this is my
Yeah.
hostess costume.
You're gonna be forced to retire on Thursday.
The poor 14-pound turkey that I bought. About to get basted.
That's a big turkey.
Feeding like 7 people.
Damn.
Dang. Yep, not looking like buyers are stepping in. No rejection play for me. I would potentially look for a possible rejection at 822 on NQ. Again, this I'm hesitant about that, just considering we basically engulfed this whole bearish move. We're coming back to opening print. So am I excited about shorts? Not really, but at the same time, I'm not, convinced on the longs until we can get back above 822 on the Nasdaq.
Yeah, that London low. I was waiting for a retest of it.
And then we have 2 minutes until the data release as well, so I would just wait it out if no one's in a trade yet.
Definitely waiting this one out. I cannot see anything for my setups right now.
Yeah, this is really tricky. I want to see how we react at London low again. If we're gonna pop back above it and continue catching buyers, or if we just end up rejecting London low. But with the amount of buyers that we're getting through right now, I wouldn't be surprised to see us break back above London. But data coming out makes it a little bit more tricky.
That is
Yeah.
true.
Man, what a buy up.
Crazy. Absolutely crazy. 720 here has some sellers on ES. 156 orders, but kind of getting the buying pressure, so I don't expect it to necessarily hold, but we could. Who knows? We still have the data in 30 seconds.
What's the data?
It is, what is it? Pending home sales month over month.
Pending home sales. All
50
right.
seconds. Wow, what a move up. Crazy.
What? Like the hourly candle looks insane.
We're literally back at the open. Opening print.
This is nuts.
Like
New
nothing
all-time
happened.
lows. Just kidding.
Yeah, psych.
Yeah, that wick on the hourly's just crazy.
Yeah.
Now all the way back down.
Actually, no, you might not be wrong there, Nick. We have the 10 a.m. Candle coming in here, so I don't know if the data has been technically released yet. Looks like it has, right? Right, Matt?
10 a.m. data should be, yes. I don't have it. Yes, consumer confidence. Actual 88.7, expecting 93.4. So consumer confidence coming in pretty significantly lower. Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index actual negative 15, expecting negative 2. Pending home sales, actual 1.9, expecting 0.5. Inventories on target. So consumer confidence and manufacturing, big misses. Pending home sales, big, exceeding expectations, and business inventories coming in right there. So, yeah.
All right. Well, rejection here, pre-market low, and PPAP on NQES still above its VWAP levels, so it could still hold. Nasdaq, if this rejection is really what they say it's going to be, then I want to see it below this opening range at 710 or 720. Just range traders making a bag today.
Oh yeah.
Ryan must be on it again.
5-minute ATR is 52.
52. And 1 minute?
On the 5-minute. One
No,
minute.
and
Let's check the 1
1
minute. The 1 minute's probably even more insane. No, 1 minute's only 32. Yeah, that's still high for a 1 minute.
It's not as crazy as last Friday, though.
No, that was
No.
insane.
Friday was nuts.
Friday was absolute worst. I didn't even trade. Ooh, selling pressure really picking up here on both features. Let's see if
Right
we can clear this
back
opening.
down, bro. Wow.
Yeah, that's insane.
That's just
Wild.
crazy.
Boy,
Like
that
nothing
hourly,
ever happened.
these hourly candles are fucking up all sorts of different
Literally.
patterns of analysis right now.
Yeah. And Nasdaq, I will say, has better like respective levels right now, just considering we literally VWAP and pre-market low got rejected. We're
But
coming
look at
down
this-
below. Oh,
But
sorry.
look at this 1 minute candle. This is 75.1 minute candle.
Crazy.
That's crazy.
let's bullish engulf and then let's bearish engulf.
Yeah. Chat, be careful today, bro. Holy.
Man.
Like this is some dangerous PA. Very dangerous.
Just
Ay,
keep
ay,
going.
ay.
Hiya.
Yeah, crazy. ES needs to clear 6690 again here. Let's see. Breaking opening range low. This, I mean, opening range traders are probably having a fun day as well. Oh, Lord have mercy.
I was making a joke when I said now all the way back down.
Markets are like, hey, you want to see something funny?
They're like, hey, I like that actually.
Well, you want to watch me fuck with everybody?
Yeah. That's actually nuts. This is crazy, guys. Yeah, be careful. Be careful. I don't like this is my kind of day, and I'm still like, ee!
Yeah.
How are you?
Ee! Oh, Lord have mercy.
Can we get a voiceover sound effect of that?
Whenever you win a trade.
Oh man, the rejection though of VWAP was so clean on Nasdaq.
That
Like
was
we would have been a
very
no drawdown on that.
Oh yeah.
That was very clean.
The trend line as well on ES came right back up to this trend line rejected. My goodness. If I didn't make a bag on these options today, I would have fucking taken this. But right now I'm like, I'm not trying to be a greedy ass bitch, you know? I do like this though. If we can come down and break this session low, I'll take it on very, very light sides.
Yeah, this is reduced position size like by 70% type of day.
Yeah.
Or by 100.
Just passed an eval on that shit. Nice.
I bet some people are banking right now.
I want to know how you say your name though. JK1. JK.
All right.
Tiny.
Probably should have, left like 40 bucks on the table, but that's pretty good. We're at 150.70.
Jake1.
E9.
Go see Principal Oshag Hennessy.
Shaq Hennessy. What a freaking market today. Let's see if we reject here. This is where I would be expecting a rejection if I was in a short. Or we just, we can engulf this whole candle as well. That works too.
Just engulf it. Yeah.
Engulf everything.
Want to pull the trigger on buying
All on a
or
one
selling
minute.
here, but I don't
why
know.
not?
Look, oh,
What does 1 minute look like?
good
right
thing I
now?
didn't.
Because it's fun. Hey, by the way,
All right,
50
all
likes,
right.
chat. 47.
I think we
47
might be
likes.
calling
We're
it
gonna
for
do
the
a giveaway.
day.
Please, click it.
Please. Please. It's JK1, but the O is taken
Oh,
already.
holy smokes.
I like the creativeness. Creativity. It's me, Oscar729 asks, nice trade. If possible, please explain why trading.
Oh,
options
man,
is
I think
better
we're giving
than
it back.
trading Futures. It wasn't necessarily the better play. I just liked the
Shoot.
setup in terms of where we were on ES and the NQ. The fact that we were a little bit, I actually did take it on both on futures and options.
See
So
how
I
it's
did play
traveling
Nasdaq
up
on the
fast? I
downside,
should be
and I played
probably
ES
getting
on
out of
futures.
this.
So it's not necessarily like, oh, I chose this because it was better. Sometimes
Fudge.
sometimes I just play options and futures in conjunction with each other. I don't recommend really doing that because you gotta monitor two different trades, and it's not the easiest to do. So, but in terms of like, there are certain days though where I will choose to play options over futures. Like, for example, let's take a look at Friday. This is the sort of day I would play options. This is a sort of day when we get a move like this, we get just like massive selling pressure coming in. I'd rather play options because a lot of times you don't have to risk very much on the premiums and you can get a crazy profit out of it. Whereas with futures, yeah, you can still get a nice profit, but you don't have to risk as much than you do with options. So It's just kind of one of
Dang,
those
we
where,
were up.
you pick and choose, but yeah, not really anything that made me choose options over futures today. But look at this. This is actually where I wouldn't play options. Like in a move like this, I would not be in an options contract.
Oh yeah, and the premiums are going to be
Yeah.
insane today anyway.
Destroyed, yeah. Unless you're
ugly.
scalping this, like there's nothing in options that'll help you get a good play out of it.
Wait,
This-
Matt, what trade did you take
When?
on the P&L? Your P&L is
I don't. Oh, that must be yesterday's because I didn't take a trade today.
okay. I was like, wait,
it does
what
happen
did I
to be my
miss?
exact P&L for yesterday. So
I was like, what the hell did I miss?
I was looking at my platform.
Let's
Like,
hope for the rip
fuck,
down.
What?
You're like-
Thanks.
you're like,
Drip
"Oh,
down,
20
please."
Gs."
Thanks for that momentary like panic.
Heart attack. Holy.
It is slow moving down. I don't know.
Here's $1,600, Matt. I'll take it.
Holy shit! I was scared for a second there. I told you guys I did that one time. It's not the I used to use a different platform. This is about 3 years ago, and this is actually one of the reasons I left this platform. One of the things I love about TradingView is that you can set alerts very easily. The platform I was using didn't have you had to like click through 5 things to set an alert on a chart. So
3 times.
the one thing it did do was it was very easy to you just scroll down the menu to go to a simulated account, your paper account. And so what I would do is if I wanted alerts of an area, I would enter a paper trade and I would set PT and stop loss at areas I wanted alerts, right? Because I've talked about that before. If the markets are in consolidation, I'll talk myself into a trade if I'm sitting here. So I'll set alerts at the high of a zone, low of a zone, and then I'll fuck off for a little while, right? And so I forgot about it overnight, and either the alert triggered or whatever. It must have been after hours. I opened my platform the next day, and this was sort of the reverse of it, right? Because I just click whatever, and I think I'd gone into like 10.
I want to see huge down.
We had
Huge
that
down. Come on.
overnight. So I
Give
opened
me
my
the down.
platform to not a
Don't
minus,
think
but
we're gonna get it
plus
though, to be honest.
27,000. And I'm like, now immediately something registered. This isn't right. So it's not like I started celebrating or anything, but like it was. And then once I realized what had happened, like I was mad at myself because that, I'm very big even in my, I don't really sim stuff anymore or paper trade as much as I used to, but I zero out orders. It's the last thing I do. Nick, you and I've talked about that. We spam the, cancel all orders button.
Oh,
Then we
down.
log off for the day. So
Punching down.
I'd say that was a dumb thing that I did.
Punching down. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What are you seeing, Joey? Like,
Punch down.
How
Come on.
are you gonna trade this or not?
Come
trade
on.
this?
I'm not.
Down.
I'm
Keep
not
going.
sure.
Keep going. Keep going.
But
Keep
I'm
going.
just waiting for
There it
to
goes.
see if
There it goes.
Nasdaq
Down.
doesn't get back above VWAP or if we're gonna sell from here.
Yeah, that's what I'd be waiting for. I would be interested
keeping
in
it
the
there.
upside as well. but
Holy
we need to get
smokes.
Back above this pre-market low. It's just
It's probably gonna punch
the
down.
1
Actually,
minute looks
I should have left it.
so
Let's see what
range bound
happens.
right now. Just does not want to clear the upside.
Just gonna chop around here.
Yeah.
Hey, living like Chess, how are you doing today? You must be banking.
Ooh. If it punches up, it might punch up now.
Really
It
excited
is.
to trade this.
Nope.
Same.
Yeah, we're just squeezing. Really just squeezing.
Yup.
I've also
Okay,
had
we're leaving it.
all green month,
That was a little scary. That was a
Hell
little too
yeah.
much.
so
We almost
I may
lost.
run that on some weird PA.
That's awesome, Joey.
Um, today.
You had your first
So we're just gonna
5-1
call it
on your
there.
Personal account, right?
Did, yeah.
That's
like,
fucking
yeah.
No, thank
dope.
you.
Let's go.
You know what I mean?
Right.
Wait, that's huge.
That is a huge thing.
Started
So,
it-
that's the
started the
full-
That's
account.
amazing, Joey. Good job.
Started the personal account in August, and we've been doing really well. And then this month we didn't have a single red day, and we sized up a little bit because we were just having some good trades, good days, and ended up passing the 10K mark.
Hell yeah. Woo! W's in the chat for Joey. That is fucking dope. So how does, okay, I have some questions for you then.
Okay.
So, because clearly right now you're like, it seems like you're on defense mode. You're not trying to necessarily get it too excited, but like, how do you go into something like that, right? Like, you just made you hit a milestone, 10K month. What do you do from here? Like, how do you move forward, like mentally?
Yeah, I think you have to. It's a tough thing because you do reach a milestone, and it's like you don't want to mess it up. But at the same time, too, it's you reach that milestone because you're taking good trades. You're seeing the market clearly, and so you don't necessarily want to change anything right now. Like I mean, when you're on a hot streak, just keep doing what you're doing, and try to capitalize on it if you can. But this, I will say, this month, since we are getting close to the holidays, it doesn't make sense to continue trading or to try to make more. It just doesn't make sense in the personal account. And so I'm going to wait till after Thanksgiving to trade it again. But coming out of Thanksgiving, I'm going to just keep everything the same, doing what I'm doing, same position sizing, as long as we get good movement, and just go from there. But trying to stay in the same headspace that got me to the 10K.
That's awesome. So when you say you sized up, like what was the ratio of sizing up?
Yeah. So before I sized up, my normal position size starting off was 3 to 5 micros. And so I did end up sizing up, going to anywhere from 7 micros to 10 micros. So up to the equivalent of a mini, and scaling in and out. So that's really was the play. I didn't size up like astronomically, I don't think. I mean, yes, 3 to 5 micros and going to 7 to 10, like that's depending on what the position is, that can be double what my normal position size used to be. But I don't feel that I didn't feel even like too emotional over it. Like I mean, going into 10 micros versus 5 micros, I didn't feel a difference emotionally or mentally, and so I felt like I handled it well and just ran with it.
Yeah. No, that's important. I mean, it's like we talk about like your risk for your appetite for risk, right? And being able to still stay level-headed and trade your plan rather than like looking at how much you're down or how much you're up on the day and just taking it from there. But like, yeah, I think the sizing up aspect of it as a trader, like once you become consistent, once you become profitable, like the scaling aspect of it is actually kind of like the it's the part where you really start to really grow as a trader, because you got the psychology down and everything, and now it's just doing what you continue to do but a little bit bigger size. So I mean, first of all, amazing that you're able to like stay level-headed and be able to be like, all right, yes, I hit this milestone, but we're going to continue to do what we're doing, because the consistency aspect is what got you there in the first place.
Exactly.
So,
Yeah.
So that's amazing.
Nothing
Congrats.
changed. Thank you.
Yeah, that's really
Fire.
awesome.
That is fire. Love it.
Fire. Are we still doing a giveaway, Nick?
Hell yeah, we are. But only if
Alright.
we hit like goal.
Well, now we
Like
got
goal 585. We're 13 away.
585.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, I already liked it, so
Hey, I did too.
As did I.
Joey's like, not me.
Joey says,
Like,
"Fuck all you
I'm not
guys."
liking this shit.
I had a thumb war with the like button already, fam.
Yeah.
Damn. As long
All
as,
right,
as
see,
long
this
as
is
the
where we
number you
just
hit it
chilled
was,
out and
was odd.
stick
fine.
with our plan.
Look at buyers trying to come through.
I know. This is where we're
Choppy.
at right now.
We did hit it now. We hit it. Chat, we hit it. Just waiting for Drew to confirm the keyword. Once that's confirmed, we're going to do the giveaway. But I'll explain the rules already.
Pretty good, guys. Pretty good.
It's okay, Nick. You'll be fine.
We're
You have
almost
to smash the
halfway
like button. You have
to
subscribe to the channel, and you have to type the keyword that I'm going to give you here in a second, and type that in the chat, but only once. If you type it more than once, you will get disqualified. And we won't,
our challenge.
we don't want that, so.
Halfway to
Waiting for the
completing our
keyword.
challenge, guys.
Gonna be ready
Isn't that
here in a
great?
second.
Isn't that great?
Jude's scrambling.
Isn't it a thing? I think so.
Bing bong diddly
I
do.
do like that. Squeezy, squeezy.
Squeezy, squeezy.
Yeah,
Well,
that's
it's
literally
kinda-
what we're doing. Just squeezing.
Yeah.
We
Now
got
people are-
millions of
That's not the
accounts that
keyword,
we're
guys. It's not
trucking
ping pong
along with.
diddly.
Just a random person.
They are
typing
doing
ping pong
really
diddly
good.
And everybody's like, oh, ping pong diddly.
I must say.
Look what you did, Smith's Trading.
That's funny. All right, we got the keyword now. The keyword is market madness. One word, Chat, no space in between. Market madness. Not ping pong diddly.
Yeah, you can literally type anything in all caps and people will believe it.
Yep.
I'm gonna
Literally
test
ping
that.
pong
I'm
diddly.
gonna come in. I'm gonna create an alt and come in here and just randomly type like
Yeah.
it's the most random shit you can think
Do
of.
it, Matt. Do
Do
it.
it, please do
It'd
it.
be like spaghetti with meatballs. And see
Yeah.
what-
All the alt, the keyword bot. Now everybody got it right though. Nice. Nice.
Wow, we are
Meatballs.
I would say we are chopping now. Wowzers.
literally. Like, I mean, this does, when I see something like this, it does set up for a breakout. But again, I'm not convinced on this.
Can we talk about the fact that Nvidia is now down 6.5%?
No way. What
Nvidia
the
about to
heck
give us a Black
happened to
Friday deal.
Nvidia? Literally.
What did you say?
I said Nvidia is about to give us a Black Friday sale.
Oh damn it.
Fuck. I know, I'm kind of curious what the next level on Nvidia is. Next level I don't see until 168. Dang, I didn't even chart that low on Nvidia yet. And then I see this level 164. If anyone's looking to buy Nvidia.
Let me take a look at Nvidia, see what we got. It's down 6.3. Wow.
It's crazy.
That is crazy.
Yeah, we got room. We got room down. 168 would be that next level. I think if NQ and ES start to continue breaking to the downside here, Nvidia will follow or vice
Wait a
versa.
minute. My trade would have
I don't
would
know.
have
Like,
been
did we have bad news on Nvidia? I'm confused. Like,
Would've
what
been good.
happened?
is that
What happened?
I haven't seen any news. I really think it's everybody talks about the AI bubble, right? Which I happen to think it is, but I don't think when everyone's talking about it popping, that's not when it's going to pop. But there is going to be some sentiment, especially in a short week, that brings things down. So we'll see.
It says here, latest updates. Nvidia stock is under pressure as Alphabet's
Dang
Gemini
it.
3 chatbot using faster and cheaper TPUs raises concerns about demand for Nvidia's GPUs in the
it's
AI
okay though.
market.
We took profit.
Oh boy. LB.
Nvidia's not really struggling with demand though, are they? Because right now they're currently sold out. I saw in their earnings report they're sold out of the AI chips, and they don't have enough supply to meet the demand. So is there really demand issues with Nvidia?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's just
I think the AI bubble conversation is an interesting one because, like, yeah, while like the whole AI industry is expanding and it seems and feels very blown out. But at the same time, too, when there's demand backing,
yeah,
all of this, are we actually in a bubble if there's demand?
right. Yeah, that's a good point.
Or if it's like, the way I see a bubble is if it's expanding and getting to an overpriced point with no demand or no logic or nothing really behind it backing it up, right?
Yeah.
Whereas like AI now, I feel like there's still being demand, there's still something behind us expanding the way we are. You know what I mean? So it's like, does that mean we're in a bubble or no? So I don't know. It's a tricky one.
Yeah, that is a good point. I mean, if there's demand, like, why would there be a bubble for us to? But I don't know, man. It's a crazy market we're in right now. Meta switching to Google chips. Yeah. Look at Google. They're developing their own chips. What is Google doing today? Alphabet. Let's look at you. Yeah, Google's not doing horrible. I mean, we're literally at all-time highs on Google. Crazy, just gapping up every single day. Dang, I haven't traded Google since
I don't
it
know
was
what
in
it's
like
doing,
the
but
140s.
I think we're just chilling.
Literally, those were my levels when
Almost
I traded
ready
Google.
to time to go to work.
Yeah, I
BRZ,
remember the last time I
Like-
trades.
Google.
Like, we're talking like back in freaking February 2024. That's the last time I traded Google. I'm an investor in Google, but I have not traded options in Google. Oh man. All right, we're starting to get a little bit of a breakdown here. Let's see if NASDAQ can break the bottom of this squeeze that we're in. ES coming into its opening range low, so is NASDAQ. So this would be the break, the confirmed break that I'd be looking for if I was looking to get into shorts. ES needs to clear 66.95 and then has buyer sitting at 66.90.
All right.
Yeah, the Nasdaq seeing a little bit of sellers coming through here, getting into those 17s. If we could break, we get back down to those 60s, we could go see those lows again.
Yeah. Yeah, this is nuts. We're still in this range.
Tired.
But yeah,
Still
yeah,
holding.
still chopping around, doing just nothing.
Literally nothing. What's the ATR, Matt?
5-minute ATR on the NQ is sitting at 67.3.
Oh, look at that. Lovely.
Could have just answered that. It's pretty fucking high.
I was gonna say, yeah, that's still pretty high.
But again, that's what we've been seeing constantly. I mean, that was the one thing I was looking at very closely on Friday. I mean,
All right. We
have
never
seen
really did
5-minute
bounce off
ATRs
of
in the 80s
the
and
trend
90s
line
over the
yet.
course of the
I mean,
past
it's
few
close.
sessions.
Wow.
It is kind of a.
I know we're up, we're down. Like this
So,
level of volatility is setting.
you have
up
that
for a
to look
fucking
at.
move. I don't know where it is, where it's going. It's probably going to depend on a lot.
Overall trend line. Here, let me
Honestly,
give you guys
truly
a
believe
view.
by the
So I got
end
this trend line
of
here
January,
that we
you're
need
gonna
to either
get
break above or below
10 to 20% correction, or we're going to get new all-time highs.
on the
I
15
don't see
second
us- I don't
here.
see one. Bold prediction, but we'll
Don't have
revisit
one here
this
for
and,
some
and
reason.
Everyone can tell me what an idiot I am at the end of January.
Oh, there it is.
We just chop.
Yeah.
We stay right in the middle.
We do absolutely nothing.
The markets I have learned are
So-
petty enough to do that. Just to
Yeah,
spite.
yeah.
It's possible somewhere over here in the next
Wow, we are
day or
still
two.
range bound, guys.
We probably
This
stay. We
is
probably
not a
range
confirmed
around
break yet.
maybe
Tried to break
break
right
above.
back below opening range. here on
And then we
ES.
can
Yeah, on
probably
NASDAQ, but
think
still not
about
able
seeing
to
more upside.
fully close below
Um,
ES.
We did bounce off
high
the area we
ATRs
thought
like
we
that,
would
you have
bounce
to
off
really,
of.
like,
Here, this
size
nice
down and widen
support
stops.
zone,
You just
right?
can't have tight stops.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
it's gonna get smoked
Here.
every time.
Yep. 100%.
At a nice little support zone
I'm actually shocked to see
in that
we were at
area.
I swear it was like at 180 something yesterday.
Here, give that a
170. Still dropping. My long term does not like that.
Hello. Did I miss anything?
Hello.
so something like that,
Did
you
I
know.
miss anything? No. We're still
No.
squeezing.
Just chop. Choppity chop chop.
Volume has also dropped a little bit, and we're still squeezing. So.
Mm-hmm.
Ping pong tiddly.
Ping pong.
I'm gonna save that one in my back pocket for a random like day in July.
Just a random keyword. Ping pong diddly. Diddly do.
Well, now that you're back, Nick, I
Yes.
think we should announce the giveaway winner. What do you think?
Oh yeah, true. Completely forgot about that.
Wait,
It was your
you
idea.
forgot about a giveaway?
I was like, let's do
dare you.
giveaway. See you guys. All right, Drew, can we run the giveaway bot? Let's see. DXTrade. DXTrade. Type something in the chat. Why are you laughing, Joey?
Somebody in the comments said, it's really funny. Nick, he says, Nick, that gulp was heard with Dolby effect in my earphones.
Oh, that's good.
Love it.
All right, are we confirming this
DXTrade
breakdown?
says, Yo! Yo! Stop! Make sure to
Yeah.
add your email address to your YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you and send you your free account. 50K growth. Congrats. Should we just set the next like goal or what? Should we?
Next light.
Is it
goal,
gonna break
what should we
down?
head to?
Is it not?
You decide.
We don't
What are we
know,
at right
but what we do know
591.
is it is time for me
What would it be 650?
to
Reasonable?
Yeah, that sounds very reasonable.
go to work.
So, chat, you heard Mr. Captain Morgan himself. 650.
You know, Joey, I think after a winning trade, you should stand up and do the Captain Morgan pose. We'll get you a hat.
Yeah, that could be
Do
it.
Do
I
it.
think the Captain Morgan pose should be like a brand logo for me or something.
I think you might get a letter.
I might. Yeah. I might.
It might have a couple of words starting with C and D on the top of it, but
Yeah. I might get sued.
Well, suit him back.
or just have your guy go talk to him. You know what I'm saying? Just listen. You know this is Joey fucking Morgan. You need to know who you're messing with here.
Did we already hit the 650 light goal? That's crazy.
We did? No. Did we? Oh, we did. Well, okay. Then I guess we're going to do another giveaway. Yeah. I gotta first think of a keyword. Damn. Joey, you tell me the keyword in the background chat. Type something.
Okay.
Whatever you want.
A sec here.
That was very fast. Damn.
That was super fast. All right.
Well, that's a W for the chat.
All right. Keyword. Give me like 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
You know what? Since I did this month, we're gonna do what we'll do.
All right. Okay, but now people are already gonna guess it. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. People are gonna get it.
All right, it's going up.
All right. There's an important question from Patrick. Joey.
Huh?
He asks me to ask you, when you refer to we, is that just how you talk, or do multiple people trade your account?
It's my multiple personalities.
Well, I mean that's good, right? You got a bearish personality, a bullish personality, and
A neutral one.
yeah, whatever one has taken over for that particular day.
All right.
We have groups. We have group sessions every morning. Before we trade.
And it's nothing but your various personalities trying to get the other ones to buy their course.
All right,
So-
we do gotta go. All the peace,
Love it.
all the loves.
So, chat, the next keywords comes in a second here, but before I give you the keyword, remember you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and only type the keyword once, because otherwise you will get disqualified. The keyword is very simple. It is 10K. Just 10K. That's what Joey did this month, so that's what we're gonna have as a keyword. Good luck, everybody else. There he goes. Nice. Nice breakout here from this consolidation triangle. Anybody take that, chat?
Nice move back to VWAP. Back to beat bop.
Yep.
Yeah, and basically right back to New York Open. we're not far away.
Yeah.
Not far away.
I don't love that.
Really?
I don't want to hang out at Open all day.
All right,
Keyword should have been Dolby Gold.
we are doing
that sounds like
pretty good.
like an alternative band.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Doing pretty good this week so
Yeah,
far.
there we go. Thank you, New York. Good night.
Oh, they're from New York. Or they
I don't
just
know.
So far,
Sounds like
so
it.
good. And we continue on.
Damn, the hourly
Can
candles are
we do it?
nasty. Look at that.
Can we make it by the end of the
We're on your
month?
screen right now, Joey. Go to the
Probably
hourly
not.
candles.
Forget
Okay.
we do have. I'm gonna go ahead and start closing down here. We do have.
What is
Yeah,
this?
that's insane.
It's like, oh, we're gonna fall and go down to like weekly open. Psych. Okay, now we're gonna do it. Psych.
Yeah, that's crazy. Those wicks on that.
So it might actually be
Mm-hmm. I do not.
not
like
that good.
Nope.
I mean, as far as
It's not fun.
the amount of trades that we could possibly take.
Not
And
fun.
the reason why is we do have a holiday coming up,
No bueno.
Thanksgiving on Thursday. I
Alright,
think
this one we might make the
markets
giveaway
close a
way
little
faster.
early,
So,
or
Drew,
something. I don't know. Markets get kind of crazy around this time, I think, as well.
Everybody who's still talking 10K, you can stop.
You know, I think we're pretty good.
Giveaway
Just
winner
hold on,
is Janie
hold on to what
Jane
we
9.
have.
Janie
We
Jane
are
9.
so far, we are
50K
ready,
growth account.
pretty
Congrats.
close
Make
to
sure to type
Janie
something in
Jane.
the chat.
uh,
Janie Jane.
what we've got going on here.
Type something.
Getting pretty close to halfway, passing the 20 to the 300K
Yeah,
account.
BPA1
Actually, that's pretty
doesn't like
crazy.
you. That's actually
We
true.
are
They told me to
about
just
almost a
go.
third of the way
And I'm never
passing
gonna fix
the
BPA1 ever.
other one. But anyways, all the loves.